Hello, students. I'm Dr. Rohan Khandelwal. I'm a breast cancer surgeon and the surgery faculty for Marrow. And this video is for final year students and to a certain extent pre-final year students as well, because they've been messaging me all throughout the lockdown period and even now regarding the study strategy for them during this year and their approach to the entrance exams, right? So I want to discuss in this video whether you've been utilizing your time effectively or not during this COVID-19 crisis. Now, we know these are unprecedented times all of us are going through, and nobody would have ever thought that you won't have any physical classes in the college and there would be minimal or no patient interaction during this period. Now, when the lockdown started, students were very enthusiastic about online learning, and they picked up their books and they joined online classes. Even the college people were conducting online classes and everyone was very enthusiastic at that time. But gradually that enthusiasm started coming down, and a lot of students stopped attending those classes which the college people were organizing. That led to probably no patient or case discussions, and led to more boredom at home and or your hostel, and more unproductive days. And eventually students ended up watching more Netflix and started playing more PUBG. Well, in the long run, this is not going to be useful, right? Because a lot of you might be thinking that, look, this crisis is affecting everyone, so everyone would be in the same state of affair and everyone would be having a lot of unproductive days. Well, let me share an interesting fact with you. If you think that the competition would reduce because of this crisis, no. It would in fact double. And please mark my words that next year in the entrance exams, you would see that the cutoffs are going to be higher. And a lot of students who are in final year will crack the exam in the first attempt during their internship. And why would that be? Because these smart students would utilize their time effectively, right? And you really want to be one of these smart students who utilizes this time. You need to make an opportunity out of this crisis and you need to use it to your advantage so that you can achieve your goal when you appear for the entrance exam, right? And these smart students are not only preparing for their final year, but they're also finishing up their backlog. They're also revising the previous year subjects. They're making good concepts, making solid notes, writing down their own notes, clarifying their concepts from standard textbooks as well. And a very important thing, they are solving MCQs as well. Right now, these MCQs, let me tell you that it will be useful for your entrance exam. But given the current COVID crisis, most probably your college exams would also be MCQ exams. So all the more reason that you focus on MCQs and you solve them and do clinical MCQs, clinical based scenarios, which would be really useful for you. How will all this help these students? It will help in simplifying their work during internship. We don't know how the next year is going to pan out. Next year also might be like this only, where there might not be a lot of physical work at the hospital. You might not have a lot of patient interaction, but once you enter internship, you might be put on COVID duty, and that can be really stressful, right? So if you simplify your work right now, that internship period would become easy for you. Okay. Now, what are the objective goals which I want you to achieve by the end of final year? And trust me, if you're able to achieve these objective goals, your path towards getting a PG seat and the seat of your choice is going to become so easy. Right? So the most important thing is that you need to have one register per subject, which contains your notes, which are updated notes, right? And maybe you have two registers. It depends on how bulky a register you're using. So one register per subject. That means you have your 19 registers ready, and these registers would be a single point of reference before any entrance exam or any college exam. You will use the same register to revise for your college exam, same for your entrance exam, whether it is NEET or your Central Institute exams. This is going to be useful because at that time you won't be looking at multiple sources and be wasting your time during that period. You need to have a 20th notebook also ready. This is your last minute revision register, which will contain your volatile tables and volatile facts. You have time during this period, right? You're not going to college. The classes, the online classes are only for a few hours. You have time. Make good notes, make a last minute register or a 20th register, and that would be useful for you later on. Okay? Solve MCQs regularly. Each day you need to solve certain MCQs. And whichever MCQs you're getting wrong, please bookmark them for the future. Right? Because once you bookmark them, half of your work is done. You know that the next time when you're revising this subject, you just need to focus on these MCQs which you got wrong so that you can clarify your concepts at that time. Right? So bookmarking would be really helpful for you. Another optional thing which you can do is that you can prepare flashcards. You can prepare flashcards during this period, and these flashcards also help in effective revision later on. Now the question arises, how do we achieve these goals? Simple things. You have one source of study, whether any online source which you're using, plus one standard book for that subject. Okay, that's all. Don't confuse yourself. Don't have too many things open for a single subject. Otherwise, it'll just end up becoming a khichdi, right? You won't achieve anything substantial at the end of it. Don't run after multiple sources. Build concepts. There are no shortcuts to learning medicine. You need to read standard books. You need to listen to good lectures and build concepts. Make your own notes. Do effective time management, right? You need to have checklists ready. You need to have a planner ready for yourself, and you need to stick to that planner. Otherwise, just being at home during this period, it's very easy to lose track of time and you can end up wasting a lot of time. So don't do that. Time management is the key, right? So again, before I sign off, I'm re-emphasizing that utilize this period of crisis as an opportunity for yourself so that you can achieve your dream branch in your first attempt when you appear for the entrance exams, right? Try to achieve the objective goals which I've highlighted, and I've shared some strategies also which can help you achieve these objective goals. Please remember, you know the old saying that slow and steady wins the race, but I'm going to add one more thing here. You need to be smart and steady during this period of crisis if you want to win the ultimate race of securing a good PG seat, right? If you found this video useful, please do press the like button. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Again, I'm saying that this video is meant for both pre-final and final year students, although I'll be making a video specifically for pre-final year students as well, because they'll be appearing for the next exam, right? Any queries, please post them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much.